Karnataka Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has urged doctors to extend their services beyond urban centers and contribute more actively to rural healthcare, stating that medical professionals are widely regarded as gods by the public and must live up to the trust and expectations placed in them. Speaking at the 20th annual convocation of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences held at the GKVK campus, he said doctors should not limit their work to cities alone, but should also focus on improving healthcare services in rural areas. He added that many of the finest doctors and nurses trained in the country are currently serving in healthcare systems across the world. Emphasizing the responsibility of the medical community, the Chief Minister said that doctors are seen as gods in the eyes of patients and stressed that they must preserve the deep faith and trust people place in them while delivering healthcare services. Along with the governor, he took part in giving out official academic degrees to successful students. Meanwhile, Biocon founder and executive chairperson Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw has expressed support for Chief Minister DK Shivakumar's vision for Karnataka, stating that he is committed to transforming Bengaluru into a world-class city and positioning the state as a leading economic hub. In a post on X, Shivakumar said a delegation of honorary representative officer led by Mazumdar Shah met him at Vidhana Sauda to discuss strengthening Karnataka's engagement with the international community and exploring new opportunities for investment, innovation, and economic growth. The positive remarks come after a contrasting development last year when Mazumdar Shah had publicly criticized Bengaluru's infrastructure, followed by a response from DK Shivakumar at the time. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.